Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of random. I see that's kind of becoming a theme around here. I wanted to record a video about the best mods, which would actually be episode 2 of one of my videos, which got quite a lot of attention, so I thought I would make an episode 2 and maybe a sequel if you guys like it. But today's video is not about that. Actually, it still regards a mod, but just one mod specifically, and that would be a car mod that was added to the game. That's called the Procyon Centauri. I'm definitely spelling that wrong, but yeah. And the reason why I wanted to record this one is because this mod really amazed me. Like, it's a very well made mod with the model, with the features and everything. So if you haven't seen it already, I hope I can give it a bit more attention or a bit more visibility. So yeah, we're gonna play with this one today. And as you can already see, we've got 20 different versions of this car. And yeah, we've got a lot to plow through, but I'm gonna try and make it as compact as possible, especially because I don't want this to be a very long video. So I would say let's just get right into it, and we're gonna spawn the base model just to see what it's like and to discover some features. I think it's based on I can see a bit of dodge in the back, but it also kind of looks like a Mercedes GLS, and yeah, it's really a mix of different cars. I'm not recognizing the front, so I would say let's just drive off, and you can already tell something. We've got an electric handbrake, and you may be like, oh, there are a few cars that have that in BeamNG. Well, yeah, but they don't make the sound, so that's very realistic. Actually, we're gonna hop inside, and yeah, it's a very well made model. The screen layout kind of reminds me of some Range Rovers, maybe some Audis, but yeah, it looks quite cool. It's not that quick. You can feel the weight of the car. It's very heavy, even though I'm not using a steering wheel, I'm just using a controller. But oh, yeah, you can definitely feel the weight of it. Also, look at that suspension. It's very, very soft.
That's what she said.
Bruh. And it's actually quite suitable to off-roading. So if you have some type of road like this, it does handle quite well. If I turned off the DSC, it would handle even better, but yeah, it's quite capable off-road, even though it's the base model. Okay, I think we're gonna go with this one. It's, I think, the sportiest model, but aimed for the street. I like the white interior, and yeah, I didn't show it beforehand, but look at this. You can literally turn the inside lights on, and they actually do produce light. That's insane. And of course you can turn on things through here. I don't know what that... Oh, you can change the range box mode. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, okay, the door, I think we know that. But yeah, look at the attention to detail. It's great. We also have a sunroof, which I'm not really sure. You maybe? Oh yeah, look at that. You can literally open the sunroof. That's insane. And if I were to turn the hazard lights on, they do the scrolling. That's so cool. I think that's enough. We're gonna put it into sport mode and see how fast it is. Oh, okay. Oh, it seems like this one weighs even more, even though it said that it had a lower weight, in the description. But yeah, it's kind of quick. It's a twin turbocharged V8, so it should actually be fast. But as you can hear by the tire squealing, it does weigh very, very much. And also, why the fuck is this still open? Okay. No, it's way too heavy. And also, if you haven't noticed already, look what happens if I stop the car. If I stop and keep the brake pulled, yeah, it turned off. So it actually has a stop-start function. And if I release the brake, it turns back on. So, of course, in a game like this, it's not useful at all. But it's, like I said, great attention to detail and great realism. Because, you know, an automatic car would have something like this in real life. Did the car just try and fly? Oh my god, it actually jumps. I hadn't noticed that. That's so cool. Why would it do that? We're not in Forza, come on.
Sometime later.
You can open the boot by pressing O on your keyboard. And look how cool that is. That's literally a Range Rover boot. Like it opens in 2 different pieces. I would literally spend the whole day just opening and closing it. So this one should be even better at off-roading, just because it has like a more advanced suspension system. But you also need the right driver to properly off-road. Okay, we have jumped into this more luxury aimed model. It kind of reminds me actually of a Maybach because of the like 2-tone paint and this red kind of. Yeah, I think it could very well be a GLS. This has something else a Mercedes GLS also has, which is bounce mode for the air suspension. So if I were to press Shift and B, it dances. You've probably seen those videos where they like make a Mercedes jump or like dance like this. Pulling up the fun stuff and then tires. See? Low tire pressure, check tires for damage. This is very cool and quite realistic actually. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And if you want to try this mod out, oh, also the wooden steering wheel. It's cool, but it's not really my type of thing. But yeah, as I was saying, if you like this car and you would like to test out other versions, I just didn't have the time to put in every single one of these. And yeah, you can just download it. I will leave a link in the description. And yeah, as always, drop a like if you enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one. See you.